It's up to you. You take a look at it. If you get down there, even if you get into it, you say, no. You can always come back out. It's always easy to change your mind. That way is just walking passage. Nice and big.
You can come back.
Oh, look at all that mud. Great.
Oh, it stops.
Don't step on that. That's really muddy. Where's my leg? Oh, it's right here.
This is all flow stuff.
But it's so far
Water
up.
came down and the water evaporated and left the calcium carbonate.
Wait, what is it?
And it evaporated. It creates these little things here too.
Wow. It goes so far up, which is like really cool.
Yeah, it looks like butterscotch. Butterscotch cake. Okay.
Should they keep down or they keep going down or what direction am I going to be?
Okay. So the triangular hole.
Triangle. Yeah, just do that.
I have a tough time seeing it.
Your little
Both feet in
Dot on your
first
nose.
and lower yourself in.
Feet first, lower yourself in.
Well, there's
Keep passing. Here you go. Smile.
no horseplay, no.
Okay.
But you're allowed
Okay,
to
somebody
Guys,
really,
no
really
hitting
good. They're
or
in.
violence
In
or
the cave?
horseplay.
pass
Come
the
back. Take his nose off. Yeah, we don't like the nose.
Yeah. Who did that?
Everyone's fit so far.
Yeah, even I fit in that.
Looks more like a
They're not
I'm
going
gonna
to
go
wash it.
around.
They want
The
to
other side,
preserve the
I
mud on it.
Get in front of them.
Just get the, keep the, wait, we literally cannot get the nose.
And if you don't want to do it, you come follow me.
You guys hear that? Did everyone hear that?
Yeah.
Everyone wants to do it? It's fine.
We're doing it.
Okay.
Just keep talking to each other.
You need some
So guys,
That's why I was like, got his nose off.
shall we?
So, what are we going to do?
We're going this way. Up? Unless you want to go that way.
Where's the triangle hole? Triangle.
I don't know.
Triangle? There was something about a triangle, right?
Triangle?
We didn't really listen that well. Well, no, we were
We'll come down here. This is
Okay.
a big,
Is it a triangle? Yeah, like.
So there's a triangle. Guys,
It's kind of like a big triangular tunnel.
There, that's a triangular tunnel.
How bad is it, Brett?
wait, is that the easy way or the harder way?
Like sideways.
Guys, don't yell. No yelling! Can you pass the... No.
It seems like you leave your feet.
Can you tell them to keep their volume down? I think they have.
There's a little tight spot here, right here.
Okay, so just watch out there, guys. Guys. Just watch out. There's a drop right here. Like a slight drop. Right here. Just so be careful.
It's definitely tight.
Okay. You got that? We'll spot each other.
Okay, I got keep contact down here. So I can get down here and then I can kind of give you some directions.
Just, well. Okay. Try to use your hands more than your feet because it's so slippery. Oh, my foot is stuck.
I think you're gonna have to leave your.
Okay, so where do I put my next foot?
I think you have to leave.
Like here? Yeah.
I got it.
And there's like a crack right here.
That one down.
You got it?
Yeah. You know, this is my hand here. Yep. So there's a little ledge down a little further. Yep.
We should tell her how we
Further. Oh,
kept calling it Miss Crazy instead of constant. People call it Miss
Oh, jeez.
You're good.
Yeah. Sure, but I'm gonna make it.
I mean, yeah, you're good. You're good if you can get if you slide your butt through, then you're in good shape.
Yeah,
You can get your hips through.
I'm coming back.
Okay, guys, back up.
It's
Good.
tight. You have to go. Might have to go back if Peyton's coming back.
Okay, make space. Oh yeah, let's.
Penny.
Well, watch out. Just stay there, stay there, stay there. Don't move. Go out. Will you have enough space, Janice, to move?
Brett,
So
are you sure we
I'm
can make
good.
it back?
Yeah, no, I'm good. The scouts are all going around this way, so I'm good.
Can you want to stay with the scouts?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Is anyone else coming this way?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
coming.
I might need somebody to go with me this other way.
Ouch.
Okay,
Where are you putting your first?
Yeah, feet first. Yep, lower. Now, turn your body the other way so that your right foot.
You just go straight down.
Yeah, there you go. Now lead with your right foot, and then kind of.
I don't want my foot to get.
Yeah, it's okay. Drop your other foot through too. Yep, there you go. This is my hand. Yep, this is my hand. There you go. Drop your other foot through. You kind of got to turn your whole body sideways. There you go. Yep, there you go. Now just slide it right through. I got you. I got you. You got your feet are on the ground now. Your feet are on the ground. There you go. There you go. That's a tight spot.
My helmet was too big.
Okay, so what?
So you need to talk through the next person.
Yep.
Talk them through so that their right foot comes through.
Okay, so Arabella, your right foot. Where's your right foot? Make both of your feet come in this direction, kinda. Like put your try to put both of your feet like right here. Okay. Then put your right foot like and start like trying to sit down in like a chair. My foot's like right here. My hands are right here.
Okay, so
Are you sure that
how do I?
And then like you put your other foot like right on where your right foot was.
You need to on the spot. Do you want to go sideways?
Standing.
Yeah, try to sit down.
Hold up.
Yeah, try to sit down first.
You need to on this spot, yeah.
Okay.
Hannah, do you see that? Hannah, there's a water roll.
I'm nowhere to like.
You have to try to sit.
That rock.
I don't know how to.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, I'm down here.
Yeah, so what?
Good job.
I'm like half kneeling kind of.
I see, but can you? Cause your hips are right there. You have to try to go down. You have to sit
Down? Can
like
you move? I need more space.
almost like sit. It's almost like you're sitting on the ground. Cause you have to pass this like ledge right here.
Good job, Hannah.
Yeah, right here. My hands are right here. My hands are right here. I got.
Yes, you can. Yes, you got this. If Hannah
Okay, you're.
can, you can.
Wait, I mean my
You're kind of going to slide down like the.
my pants are like coming up.
I said that really loud.
You just have to like your hips. That's the hardest part is the hips.
Good job, Hannah. That's a good
And your feet. There's nowhere really to put your foot, so you're gonna just kind of. Yeah, like kind of like that. Yes. Perfect. Yes.
How much of a drop is it?
Like not even a foot. Like your foot's like right there on the ground, basically.
Okay.
Watch your head.
Okay.
Yeah.
Arabella, you grab this. Arabella.
It's just people were in my way, and I didn't have space. Okay.
Arabella. This Kyle.
Okay, can you hold Kyle, Sophia?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so right foot.
Hey Lily, when
You got it?
when they're done, can you pass it up?
Yeah.
No, you wanna like head is last, and then come like that. Yeah.
How'd you do that so much easier? than I did?
She just did it herself.
I kind of fell. You want to sit down? Wait, are we supposed to go down there?
No, whatever way you want. Arabella, which way are we going?
The guy's right
What way do we go?
Oh, you're here. The guy's here. I can sit down. Really, one arm in my hand. I can hold here.
But he said there's 3 different ways.
What, Lily? Arabella!
What?
Can you help her?
Keep your volume down. Help her.
I got.
Like turn around so
Hey, Sophia.
Yeah.
Ellen, is anything down the other way?
Down this way.
Yeah. Down, like bearing to the right.
Mr. Allen, can we go down this way?
Yeah. There you go. You got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can go down bearing to the right here.
Yeah.
You can go all the way down that way. There's another passage.
Do you want me to come down with you?
There's another passage.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna help. Here, I got your foot. Here, kick up, cause I got. You got it? Okay. Careful, here. Okay.
Are you up?
Arabella, I'm coming down.
I'm gonna hold up a bit so Sophia can watch.
Is that an arm?
I'm going.
It's like, it's very easy. You have to like,
Sarah, I'm gonna come down.
you can go this way or that way.
Which way's the harder way?
I don't know. That one,
It's gonna be like a squat, Sophia.
is this like an army crawl? Are you gonna crawl?
It's a squat.
Yeah, I'm squatting on my butt.
Honestly, I don't want to go down there.
It might be very